Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
Dialogue. Ali Sara evening playtime. Sara. Hi Ali, where are you? Ali. I'm outside. Sara. What are you doing? Ali. I'm playing football with my friends. Sara. Wow, that sounds fun. Ali. Yes, we play every evening. Sara. Do you always win? Ali. Laughs, not always, but sometimes. Sara. Enjoy your game. Ali. Thanks. Talk to you later.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.